Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dean, owner of GTA Commercial Brokers. For those of you who are new here, this channel is your go-to as we break down complex real estate and business topics into simple, actionable advice. We've got your back. Welcome to your Q2 2025 market update. We're excited to bring you the latest insights and analysis for this crucial period. This update focuses specifically on the dynamic world of GTA industrial real estate. We'll be covering key trends, emerging opportunities, and potential challenges that you need to be aware of. The GTA industrial real estate landscape is shifting fast, influenced by various economic factors and evolving market demands. Whether you're an investor seeking lucrative opportunities or a business owner aiming to optimize your operations, this update is tailored for you. This isn't just another report filled with generic data. It's a curated analysis designed to provide actionable intelligence. Consider it your blueprint for success, guiding you through the complexities of the GTA industrial market. The GTA remains a powerhouse for logistics, serving as a critical hub for the movement of goods across the region and beyond. It's also a key center for manufacturing, driving innovation and economic growth. And of course, e-commerce continues to fuel demand for industrial space, with fulfillment centers playing a vital role. But this high demand brings complexity, requiring strategic decision-making to navigate the competitive landscape. Knowing which submarkets are heating up and which are cooling down is absolutely crucial for making informed investment and operational choices. This quarter, we're seeing unique opportunities emerge in specific areas, driven by infrastructure developments and changing demographics. We'll break down transaction volumes, providing insights into the level of investment activity across different submarkets. We'll also analyze borrowing costs, examining how interest rate fluctuations are impacting investment decisions and project feasibility. And we'll highlight the key trends that matter most to your bottom line, helping you stay ahead of the curve. For investors, understanding these trends is paramount to maximizing returns and mitigating risks. This means spotting undervalued assets before they become mainstream and strategically timing your moves to capitalize on market fluctuations. For business owners, optimizing your real estate footprint can significantly impact your operational efficiency and profitability. It's about choosing locations that boost efficiency, streamline logistics, and ultimately cut costs, giving you a competitive edge. The GTA's fundamentals are undeniably strong, supported by a robust infrastructure and a thriving business ecosystem. However, the winners in this market will be those who act decisively and strategically, armed with the right information and insights. Let's dive in and turn raw market data into actionable strategies that you can implement immediately to improve your position. By the end of this update, you'll know exactly how to strategically position yourself for success in the GTA industrial market for the rest of 2025. Let's unlock the potential of this quarter together, transforming challenges into opportunities and driving sustainable growth. Let's get to the numbers. Q2 2025 shows renewed confidence and a surge in transaction volumes. Investors are back, driven by belief in the GTA's long-term strength. Lower interest rates are fueling more deals and improving returns. The construction pipeline is shrinking. Fewer new projects mean tighter supply. This scarcity is pushing up rents and property values. Landlords are gaining leverage and vacancy rates are stabilizing. The market is robust with strong fundamentals and growing momentum. For investors and tenants, it's a competitive landscape. The message: the GTA industrial market is moving forward with confidence. Now's the time to get strategic. Investors, this is your window. Focus on high-demand zones. Vaughan, Brampton, Mississauga, where access to highways drives tenant demand. Cap rates have shifted and lower debt costs mean better spreads. Target properties with short leases for quick rent increases and higher asset values. Prioritize stable, high-quality tenants in resilient sectors like e-commerce and food. Scrutinize tenant rosters as much as the buildings themselves. Seek value-add opportunities. Upgrade older buildings in prime locations to attract modern tenants. Improvements like more shipping doors or higher clear heights can boost rents and appreciation. In this market, smart upgrades and strong tenants are your path to outsized returns. Move decisively to capture the upside. Landlords, now's your chance to maximize value and unlock the full potential of your industrial properties. It's time to take a strategic approach to enhance your assets and ensure long-term profitability. Push for longer lease terms, 7 or 10 years. This provides stability and predictability for both you and your tenants. To lock in income, reduce turnover costs, and attract serious buyers when you decide to sell. Invest in ESG upgrades. LED lighting, efficient HVAC, and solar panels cut costs, enhance your property's appeal, and attract top tenants who value sustainability. Green features command rent premiums and significantly reduce vacancies, making your property a more desirable investment. Diversify your tenant mix to spread risk, stabilize income, and create a more resilient revenue stream. Multi-tenant properties are more resilient in any cycle, providing a buffer against economic downturns. Stay proactive with maintenance. Keep roofs, parking, and docks in top shape to avoid costly repairs down the line. Cosmetic upgrades like fresh paint and landscaping boost curb appeal, create a positive first impression, and justify higher rents. A well-maintained modern building stands out in a tight market, attracting quality tenants and commanding premium rates. These strategies make your property more valuable and future-proof, ensuring its long-term success in a dynamic market. Don't wait. Act now to secure your advantage and stay ahead of the competition in the industrial real estate landscape. The market rewards proactive landlords who invest in their properties and prioritize tenant satisfaction. In today's dynamic industrial real estate landscape, it's easy to feel like tenants are at a disadvantage. But don't be discouraged. Tenants, you still have leverage if you're smart and strategic in your approach. The key is knowing how to play the game. Negotiate for more than just rent. Think beyond the monthly payment and consider the overall value you can extract from the lease. Don't hesitate to ask for improvement allowances or even free rent periods to offset initial setup costs or planned expansions. These concessions can significantly impact your bottom line. Consider a hub-and-spoke logistics model to optimize your distribution network and reduce transportation expenses. Establish a main distribution center in a lower-cost area where land and operating expenses are more favorable. Supplement this with smaller, strategically located last-mile hubs closer to your customer base. This approach cuts rent, streamlining your expenses and improving profitability. It also speeds delivery, enhancing customer satisfaction and giving you a competitive edge. Ultimately, this builds resilience into your supply chain, protecting you from disruptions and ensuring business continuity. Choose future-ready spaces that can accommodate evolving technological advancements. Look for high clear heights, allowing for efficient vertical storage solutions. Ensure ample power, capable of supporting your current and future operational needs. And secure sufficient yard space for growth, accommodating increased truck traffic and storage requirements. Think long-term about your business trajectory and future space requirements. Pick a building that can scale with your business, offering flexibility to expand as your operations grow. Be ready to act fast when the right opportunity arises, as prime industrial spaces are often in high demand. Have your finances in order, ensuring you're prepared to secure the space quickly, and have all your requirements clearly documented before you begin your search, streamlining the decision-making process. Work with an expert advisor who specializes in industrial real estate. Their market knowledge and connections can help you access off-market deals and negotiate the best possible terms. In a competitive market, thorough preparation is your ultimate edge, giving you the confidence to make informed decisions. The right strategy turns what seems like a landlord's market into your opportunity to secure a valuable asset for your business. Move quickly to capitalize on opportunities, but always move smart, ensuring your decisions align with your long-term goals. Your next facility can be a game changer, propelling your business to new heights of success. Here's how strategy pays off. Swift Logistics, a mid-sized company, faced a steep rent hike in an outdated Mississauga facility. Instead of renewing, they explored GTA West, Milton and Halton Hills, for modern, efficient space. They found a new building with higher ceilings and more docks, doubling capacity and eliminating bottlenecks. The move cut fulfillment times by 30% and improved their bottom line, despite being farther from the core. Lower rents and better operations gave them a major edge. The landlord secured a quality, long-term tenant, boosting asset value. Both sides won by acting strategically. The lesson: understand the market, prioritize future needs, and look beyond just rent. Smart moves create win-win outcomes. The GTA industrial market is surging. Transactions are up, supply is tight, and opportunities abound. Investors hunt for value-add deals in high-demand corridors. Landlords lock in long-term tenants and invest in upgrades. Tenants negotiate smart and choose future-ready facilities. The time to act is now. Waiting means missing out. Review your portfolio and identify your next move. Meet with your advisors and put a plan in place. Success comes from informed, decisive action. The window is open for the rest of 2025. Don't just watch, participate and profit. Like and share this video to any investors you know. Let's help each other. Reach out to me and my team today. We specialize in finding the right spaces for your venture. Let's make sure your business works for you, not against you. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be back next week with more updates, straight from the commercial real estate front lines.